I think I planted my sumac too close to the house. Can I move it to another location without killing it? This is Michelle on YouTube. So Jesse, what do you think about that? It's too close to the house.
Well, I'll just say that I've been trying to get my own sumac.
Oh, here we go. Okay.
From the side of the road or the edge of a bed. I'll dig up a little sumac and I'll try and get some root, and they never make it. So I don't think you're going to have good luck trying to move that sumac. And it's really not going to harm the foundation of your house. Their roots aren't as strong as something like a big oak tree or something.
Right.
But you can just mow over where you don't want it. Maybe just mow over or clip that down, and that's probably your best bet. I love sumac.
Yeah,
it's one of my favorite shrubs.
Okay.
So I wish I had sumac too close to my house.
Oh, okay. You want too close to your house? That's good.
I think with the root system, it's gonna be hard to transplant it. It's possible, but there's no guarantee that if you move it, it's gonna survive. So right plant, right place.
Yeah, I think it's a lesson in that, right? Because when you have little plants, right, little plants become big plants.
Exactly.
So you have to be aware where you're planting them. But yeah, the root system to me, getting that root ball is the bigger issue, right? Because I read a publication not too long ago. It's like for every inch diameter of a trunk, you need 16 to 24 inch root ball.
Oh,
so think about that. Yeah. So you got to get a lot of those roots, right? And then of course, if you wanted to try to transplant, the best time to do that would be later in the year, in the fall.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. You can probably get away with it early spring, but late in the fall would be the best time to do that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So in the meantime, Jesse says it's gonna be tough. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.